Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. It's Mila here. Thank you very much for coming. This is the second part of my Valentine's Day video, and as you can see, my painting is fully dried now. It's shining, it's beautiful, and if you saw my previous video, I taped the middle of the canvas in the shape of birds. I was debating which color to put, but now it's decided, and I'm gonna apply some gold. So yeah, let's get going. Let's see what's gonna happen. And here it is, guys. What do you think? I personally think it's beautiful. I made the right decision choosing the gold. I was thinking about red or dark red, but it's just gorgeous. So let me know in the comments below. And if you like it, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!